Hello students, this is the last concept of integers that we are going to study today, that is subtraction of integers. It is very simple. Let us see, there are two concepts basically we will be studying in subtraction of integers. The first one is additive inverse. So we will see what is the meaning of additive inverse of a number. So when I say inverse, that means it is opposite, and additive inverse means what happens when we add a number with its inverse. Okay, so let us see. If I have 15, clear? Now if I add 15 with its inverse, so what is the opposite of 15? Since we are doing integers, now it's very clear, opposite of 15 is minus 15. So 15 plus minus 15 gives me 0. So therefore I will say that the additive inverse of 15 is minus 15. So what is meant by additive inverse? Additive inverse of a number is a number with which when you add that number gives the sum to be equal to 0. So if I have 217, its additive inverse will be minus 217. If you have minus 56, then its additive inverse will be plus 56 or only 56, because minus 56 plus 56 will give you 0. Now let us see this important point, which is very important. That's I have written already. Students, keep in mind one point: minus of plus integer. I have given one example. Suppose we have got 30 minus in bracket plus 24, means you have to subtract 24 from 30. Now this you have to keep in mind. What is minus of plus? Minus of plus is minus. So 30 minus in bracket plus 24 is equal to 30 minus 24, which is equal to 6. Why? Because minus plus is minus. Similarly, I have written plus in bracket minus integer will give me minus integer. That means I have given one example, 96 plus in bracket minus 86. So what I said, plus of minus is minus. So 96 minus 86 is equal to 10. So it's very simple. Whether it is minus and in bracket if you have plus, the resulting integer will be negative, or if you have plus and in bracket if you have minus sign, the resulting integer will again be negative. But let us see, if I have minus and in bracket also it is minus, that means what do we see when I have minus of minus? Yes, we see that minus of minus is a positive integer. I have taken one example, 70 minus of minus 30. So what is 70 minus of minus 30? Minus of minus is plus. So we will write 70 plus 30 is equal to 100. So what do we understand? Minus of minus is plus, plus of minus is minus, and minus of plus is also minus. I repeat, minus in bracket plus will give me a negative integer, plus in bracket minus will again give me negative integer. But if I have minus and inside the bracket is also minus, then we will get a positive integer. Now let us see some of the solved questions. Question number 2, find 75 minus 40. It's very simple. 75 minus 40. Okay, we will take it outside the bracket. 75 minus 40, I am getting 35. Minus 90 minus in bracket 53. So minus 90 minus 53, I will take out all this from the bracket. So I got minus 90 and minus 53. If you remember, I talked about the colors. So minus 90 will be which color? Yes, it will be red color. And minus 53 is also what? Yes, it will be red color. And when we see that both the colors are same, we have to add. So therefore, I will be getting minus 143, that is red, and because it is red, so that is why it is minus. Now let us see the C part. 76 minus in bracket minus of 18. I already told you minus of minus means I will be getting plus. So it's a very simple sum. What is 76 plus 18? Yes, it is 94. So we have to find out the sum. Now let us see the next part. D part. I have written minus 26 minus again minus 50. So minus 26 minus of minus 50 means minus 20. 6 will remain same. And what is minus of minus? Yes, it is plus. Now let us think in terms of color. Minus 26 is red and plus 56 is blue. So when you have red and blue, I told you what we have to do. We will have to, yes, add or subtract. Yes, we will have to subtract. Clear? And as we have subtracted, I got 24. Now जो बड़ा दिख रहा है इसमें, कौन सा बड़ा दिख रहा है? 50. और वो क्योंकि ब्लू है और ब्लू का मतलब प्लस है, तो इसीलिए आंसर क्या होगा? प्लस 24 या सिर्फ 24. Clear? Now let us see question number 2. Fill up the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to sign. Now let us see the A part. Minus 46 minus of minus 20. And this side I have written minus 21 plus in bracket minus 31. So we will solve both the sides. On the left hand side I have minus 46 minus of minus 20. So it is minus 46. What is minus of minus? Yes, it is plus. Now I have minus 46 means red, plus 20 means blue. So red and blue different colors, so I have to subtract. I have subtracted. अब जो बड़ा दिख रहा है वो 46 है और उसके आगे माइनस साइन है, इसलिए आंसर भी माइनस होगा. So the answer is minus 26. Now this side I have minus 21 plus of minus. I told you what is plus of minus? It is minus. अब दोनों ही माइनस है, मतलब दोनों ही रेड कलर के हुए. ये भी रेड और ये भी रेड. अब क्योंकि दोनों ही रेड है तो हमको ऐड करना होगा. हमने ऐड किया और आंसर भी रेड और रेड का आंसर क्या होता है? रेड. और रेड का मतलब होता है माइनस. सो आई गॉट minus 26 and minus 52. So naturally which is greater? Yes, it is minus 26 is greater than minus 52. Why? Because on the number line, if we remember the number line, then I hope you all remember that minus 26 comes to the right of minus 52. Clear? Now let us see the B part. 85 minus of minus 35, and this side it is 150 plus of minus 30. 85 minus of minus 35, minus of minus I told you is plus. So 85 plus 35 will give me 120. And this side 150 plus of minus 30 means plus of minus is minus. So I got 150 minus 30, which is 120. In both the cases I find that I got 120, so I will put equal to sign. Now let us see question number 3. A part. Minus 15 plus 72 minus 20 minus 7. I have written this once again. Now what we will do, we will bring the same type of, same sign of integers together. I have minus 15, minus 20, minus 7 and plus 72. So I have brought all the same signs of integers together. Why? Because minus means red. This minus 20 is also means red. Minus 7 means red. So what I have done, same color integers I have brought together. Why? Because if we have same color integers, we can add them. So minus 15, minus 20 and minus 7. We will be adding all this because they are of same colors, that is red. And what is 72? If this is the only one which is of different color, that is blue. So we have added minus 15, minus 20 and minus 7, and we have got minus 42. Now here it is minus 42 and I got plus 72. Minus 42 means red and plus 72 is blue. So red and blue means what I have to do? I will have to subtract and I got 30. Now जो बड़ा दिख रहा है वो 72 है और 72 के पास प्लस साइन है तो आंसर में भी प्लस ही होगा. Now let us see the last question. -9 plus -6 minus of -48. When I say plus minus, it becomes minus. And when I say minus of minus, it becomes plus. तो यहाँ शिफ्टिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि -9 और -6 ये दोनों ही सेम कलर के हुए, ये भी रेड और ये भी रेड है, तो दोनों पास पास ही है, इनको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And because -9 and -6 both are red color, so we will be adding them. And when we add them, we will again get red color. और red का मतलब होता है minus. So I got -15 and +48. Now +48 means blue. Red और blue का मतलब होता है हमें subtract करना है. I got 33. अब जो बड़ा दिख रहा है वो क्योंकि 48 है और वो प्लस साइन है तो इसलिए आंसर में भी प्लस होगा. सो वी फाइनली गॉट द आंसर एज 33. क्लियर? होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द कंसेप्ट. थैंक यू.